Reliance Lines Primary School, Bagalkot, for mathematics class of standard 7th. Now we are in second semester portion. Already I have started the chapter comparing quantities. Okay. In that already we solved exercise 8.1. In that you learned how to compare two quantities of the same kind. Okay. Now today I am here to explain you another way of comparing quantities. Which is the another way of comparing quantities? We'll see now. Okay. See, in our day-to-day life, you might have been observed, we are comparing the percentage of the different students of different subjects also. For example, person A and B are two students. Suppose A and B are two students. Maybe in the first semester exam, A might have been scored 90%. Maybe B might have been scored 85%. See, now we are comparing the result of two students using the percentage. This is also one way, another way of comparing the quantities. Here we are comparing the quantities. The result we are comparing here using what? Percentage. This is what? The notation of percentage. This is what? Notation or the symbol of percentage. See, this is called as percentage. What is this percentage? We learn now. Okay? The meaning of percentage we learn now. See, percentage means percentage. That means per centum. From the Latin language it has come. Per centum means 100. That means for every 100. Percentage means what? For every 100. What is this for every 100? See here, always the percentage number will be the numerator of the fraction with denominator 100. See, what does it mean? 15 by 100. This can be written very easily in percentage. 15 by 100. 100 can be written as 15%. 15 per 100. For every 100, 15. 15 by 100 is nothing but 15%. Okay. In this, the percentage will be nothing but it is a fraction of the denominator 100. Here numerator is called as 50%. Percent for every 100. This is 15 by 100. See, percentage are numerators of fractions with denominator 100. Percentages are numerators of the fraction with denominator 100. In all the percentages, denominator will be 100. See, suppose example, now you can observe now. See, 2 by 100 can be written as 2%. 9 by 100. See, percentage is a fraction. In that, numerator and denominator will be 100. Okay. See, percentages are numerators of fractions. Numerators of the fractions with denominator 100. So this is written as 9%. Then 23 by 100. How can we write? 23%. So percentages are the numerators with denominator 100. Okay. Percentages are the fractions of numerator with denominator 100. So, see now 11 by 100 is nothing but 11%. So, this is what the meaning of a percent. Percent is derived from the Latin word per centum. Per centum means per 100. Centum means for 100. So per 100 it is. So see here, this is 2%, or one more example I will take, 1%. 1%. How can we write 1%? 1% is nothing but 1 by 100. See, percentage is written in the fractions. This can be written very easily in the decimals. How can you write 1 by 100? How can you write 0.01? Here 2 zeros, 100 means 2 zeros. So after the two numbers there will be decimal. Okay, see now 2% can be written as 2 by 100. This will be written in the decimal 0.02. Now 15 by 100 is nothing but, 15% is nothing but 15 by 100. Here see, after how many places decimal point will come? 0.15. So this is what writing the percentage into fraction and decimal. Now we learn how to convert them. Okay, how to convert the percentages in the decimal form and in the fractional form. Okay, now converting fraction number into percentage. First we learn how to convert the fractions into percentage. Okay, what kind of fractions? Any fraction we will take now. How to convert the given fraction into percentage we learn. Suppose we will take 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a fraction. How to convert this fraction into percentage? Now we are learning percentage. See, now we want to convert this 1 by 3 into percentage. What we have to do? 1 by 3 into 100%. We will convert this. How to do this one? 1 into 100 is 100 by 3. This is nothing but, you divide this one, 33.33%. Now what we have done? 1 by 3 we converted it into percentage. 1 by 3 we converted into percentage. So this is what, or this also can be written as 33 integer 1 by 3%. How it is, you may ask. See, 100 by 3 is nothing but 3 3s are 9. 0. 10 minus 1, 9 is 1. Take this 0 down. Again 3 3s are 9. Again you take 10 minus 9 is 1. Now give 1 point, take 1 0, or 33 integer 1 by 3. See, 33 integer 1 by 3. Or if you give the decimal point here, what happens? After giving the decimal point, you are allowed to take 1 0. Now also again same 33.3. That is 3 3s are 9. Again here 1 remain. Same it will be continued. So 33.33% or 33 integer 1 by 3%. This is what method of converting fraction into percentage. Fraction into percentage. The same way, now I will take one more example, that is 5 by 4. How to convert into percentage? Now 5 by 4 into 100. So 4 ones are 4 25s are directly. Or you can see like this also you can cancel. 5 by 4 into 100 is nothing but 2 2s are 2 50s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2 25s are directly. Sometimes without the practice you cannot cancel them directly. Here since we are having the practice, so directly we will cancel them. You can do like that also, no problem. 4 1s are 4 25s are 25 5s are 125%. This is also one method. See now directly and here in detail 25 5s are 125%. So now what we learnt? How to convert fractions into percentage. Okay. Now we learn how to convert decimals into percentage. How to convert decimals into percentage. Now what we have learned? The meaning of percentage and how to convert the fractions into percentage. And now we are learning how to convert decimals into percentage. See, for example, now I am taking one decimal, that is 0.75. Just example I am taking. How to convert this into percentage? See, 0.75 can be written in fractions, that is 75 by 100. How it is? Units, tens, 100. In the hundreds place there is decimal. So 100 will be in the denominator. Units, tens, 100. So 75 by 100. 75 by 100 can be written as 75%. Now what happened? Decimals can be written in the form of percentage. First we convert into fraction, fraction to percentage. So like this, so many examples we can take. Second one, 0.09. See here, units, tens, 100. That means 9 by 100. Very easily we can write 9%. I hope you are following. Please watch the video once, twice, thrice. Silently, concentrationally, you sit and watch the video so that you can understand the things very easily. These all things are very, very important for the upcoming high school days, 8th, 9th and 10th. So please make clear the concepts what I am explaining. Okay. Now what I have done here, decimal to percentage. One more example I will take if you want. Suppose 0.2. The third example is 0.2. How to convert? See here, 2 by 10 it is. Just I have converted this one into fraction. That means decimal. 0.2 means nothing but 2 by 10. How to convert this into percentage? Into 100 we have to make. Into 100. Already we have learned how to convert the fraction into percentage. So this is one fraction. How to convert into percentage? Just multiply 100. Now see what happens. 0, 0 got cancelled. 2 into 10 is 20%. This is nothing but 20%. I hope you are following how to do. The 0.2 is equal to 2 by 10. How to convert this 2 by 10 into percentage? By multiplying 100. This is 10 ones are 10 tens are 10 twos are 20%. Decimal to percentage. This is what method of converting into percentage. Now we learn converting percentages into fractions and decimals. Now what we have learned? We learned now the meaning of percentage. What is percentage we have learned, and how to convert the fractions into percentage, and also we have learned how to convert the decimals into percentage. Now we learn how to convert percentages into decimals and fractions. Okay. Now how to convert the percentages to fractions or decimals. Okay. Now one example I will take how to convert the percentages. 1% is there. 1% is nothing but 1 by 100. What happened now? Percentage to fraction. This fraction can be written in decimals very easily. How can you write? Here 2 zeros are there. So 1 you write. Here units, tens, hundreds. Why hundreds place I have given the decimal point? Because the denominator is 100. I hope you are following. What we are learning now? Percentage to fraction or decimals. Okay. So now very, very important this conversion. One more example I will take, that is 10%. 10%. How to convert? 10 by 100 is nothing but 1 by 10. 0, 0 got cancelled. So percentage to fraction. Now this fraction can be written in the decimals. How can you write? 0.1 tens place units and tens place will be the decimal. Why? Because here denominator is 10. This you learned in 6th standard how to write the decimal point. Now the same way 25%. 25%. How to write this one in the fraction? 25 on 100. Now this can be cancelled. 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 1 by 4 is the what it is? Fraction form. Decimal form, you can divide 1 by 4 or directly 25 by 100. How can you write 25 by 100? 25 by 100 can be written into decimals. That is 0.25 like this also. Or you can divide this 1 divided by 4. 4 zeros are 0. 1 remain. Give 1 point. Take 1 0. Okay. 4 twos are 8. Okay. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. Now already you have given the point. You are allowed to take 1 0 here. Then 4 5s are 20. So instead of this directly also you can write into decimal. Okay. Now or by dividing like that also you can write into decimal. This is what conversion of percentage into fraction, percentage into fraction and percentage into decimal. Okay. Now so many things we are learning now. What we have learnt? First we have learnt what is percentage, meaning of percentage. Okay. And afterwards we have learnt that how to convert the percentage, how to convert the fractions into percentage, how to convert the decimals into percentage, and also we have learnt that percentage to fractions or decimals. Very important points I am explaining, children. Please give attention. Okay. Then next, even in so many fields also we are using the percentage. What kind of? Suppose some portions are shaded. So we will see now. By seeing the figure, we can write the percentage of shaded part. Suppose see here. 1, 2. Here 3 parts are there. I hope you are following. See now. This is shaded. And also this half portion is also shaded. See here, totally how many parts are there? 3 parts are there. In that how many parts are shaded? Half of this 3 parts. That means half part is shaded. Out of 3 parts, 1.5 is shaded. No, 1.5 is nothing but half of the given things. Okay, half is shaded. Then what is the percentage of shaded there? Into 100. 2 ones are 2 50s are. What percentage of the things, given things are shaded? 50% of the given things are shaded. 50% of given things are shaded. This is what. Suppose one more thing I am going to explain you. See, with the help of the figure. Here you just observe the figure. See here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are there. In these 4 parts, just see. This is shaded. And also this is shaded. And also this is shaded. How many parts are shaded here? 3 parts are shaded. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Then what is the percentage of shaded parts here? 3 by 4 into 100. You know, fraction into what? Percentage. Into 100 we have to do. 4 ones are 4 25s are. Okay? 25 3s are. 75% of the given portion is shaded. This is what sometimes we have to calculate by the only by the given figure. Okay, this is one type of fun to do. And also even in some situations of the life we are getting some problems. What kind of problems we are going to get and how to solve them, we'll see. how many percentage is calculated? How many? See now, 50% of 164 is what? 50% of 164. We have to calculate. 50% means what? Half. That means see, 50% means by 100. Half means multiplication, you know. 50% of 164. See now, 50 by 100 of is into 164 means what? See, 0 0 got cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 82s are 2 8s are 62s are. So this is nothing but 82. 50% of 164 is 82. In some of the situations we have to calculate this type of things. Now one more thing we will do. 75% of 12. See here, 75 by 100. Of means what? Multiplication 12. Here see, 25 threes are 25 fours are. 3 by 4 into 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. 3 threes are 9. 75% of 12 is 9. So like this, so many kinds of problems you are going to get in the exercise. Okay, let us solve in the next session. Let us solve we can solve the exercise 8.2. Okay, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.